Hey, iwewe asione zvindi unochokuti 2023 unodriva mota inoita noise suspension kunge iri pamuchongoyo, so kuita mota inotamba wakamira moti utokutsika mabriki inotongede nomberi tongedodzoka kumashure. Aumana mhanya paDowkith Engineering number 10 Connaught Road, Granite Side. Baba vakubatira motikari akomana vanosota mota, vanogadzira suspension, they manufacture components e-suspension. They are also able to give you original genuine suspension. All zero, they are accredited partners and distributors with fair-based company in Germany. Baba, they offer you quality guaranteed at affordable prices. Just bring your vehicle, whether they're basa, whether they're kumba. One thing you have to know about suspension is life. Ikafa pa motikari unogona kufa, inokwadza nzeve. There are so many issues that can happen. So bring your vehicle, no matter how big it is. We are saying come to Dowkith Engineering at number 10 Connaught Road, Granite Side in Harare, or number 4 Belmont, Kubulawayo. Tiriko zvakare muHarare. We've got a shop that supplies parts. Tinema suspension kits. We've got shackle bushes, we've got steering knuckles, we've got everything that is suspension related to Noita. Plus, on top of that, we also have a manufacturing warehouse. It is certified by every standard association in Zimbabwe. Baba, tinogadzira mabush, tinoita general engineering, metal fabrication, rubberization, tinogadzira matanks, we recondition suspension parts, every part, whether they're gonyeti, whether they're chi. Just bring your vehicle at number 10 Connaught Road. Tibate, Panamba Zedu, or even call us or even visit us. Just come through.